In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Store when it's not open on Android or Google Play Store not opening using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Open Settings. Search for Device Admin Apps. Tap on it. Tap on Device Admin Apps. Device Admin Apps. Here turn off all the running services in the Device Admin Apps. You can turn them back on later if needed. Once it is completed, move back from here and search for application or apps. Open it. Search for Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Force Stop, then tap OK. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK or Delete. After that, move back from here and search for Google Play services. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data. Tap on Clear All Data. Tap on OK or Delete. Move back and tap on 3 dots over here. Tap on Uninstall Updates. After completing all the process, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your Play Store. Allow all the permissions here. Now try to download or install your desired applications. I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 2. Open Settings once again. Scroll down and find out Apps. Tap on it. Tap on 3 dots over here. Select Reset App Preferences. Tap on Reset. After that, I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.